Hi everyone, in this video I will explain the importance of setting funds exclusively for your PPC campaign. Definitely we set up funds for everything, like we spend money on the creatives, we spend money on the optimization, we even hire a brand manager or even agency from the start to elevate our Amazon business from the start. But one thing most of us forgets about to set up funds exclusively for your PPC campaign. And there is a myth that you need to target in the highest search volume keywords in the start, and you need to be on the top of the search page within your first 14 days to 20 days. Well, if you follow this strategy, definitely this is the shortest way to accumulate losses. But this is not an ideal approach. Ideal approach should be you should spend based on the goal what you want to get. Definitely you have done everything right, you have selected your product design, you have sorted your pricing, and you are going with the lowest price. So after that you should make your goal that how much sales you want to achieve, and based on that sales you should made up your mind and setting the funds aside to invest in your PPC. So, and my name is Amar. I'm the founder of AMZ Mentor, a full service Amazon marketing agency, and I am a seller as well. I am selling on Amazon since 2019. So let's dive in. So here in this sheet we have different headings and we have different numbers. Let's assume the example here. Let's suppose you have ordered the 1,000 units and the selling price is 20, and the selling value for the 1,000 units is $20,000. So we can assume a 20% of the ad spend to achieve the $20,000 sales in the start. Definitely the actual numbers can vary, but we should have exclusively funds set aside for PPC. We have set up 20% funds of this value as $4,000 to be spent up on the PPC. So we should consider some points here in this case. Note number one: the budget should be widespread to 2 months. Definitely, if we end up spending all of this budget on our first month, this is not a wise move. And we should start gradually, and we should not target the first page in the start. Or if we are targeting the first page, then definitely targeting the top of search is a bad move. We should target the bottom of the page in our first 10 days or middle of the page, so that we can stay in our budget and we can achieve stability and momentum in the start. There is a myth that you need to be on the top of your search first page within the first 14 to 20 days. Well, it depends on the competition, and whatever the niche is, that strategy on the first page within the first 14 to 20 days is a bad move. So we should be going as lean as possible and as strategic as possible, because if you want to perform better at the PPC, then first you need to give it time and allow it to gather data by spending normal amount, not huge, not very low. Note number two is overspending on the high volume keywords can lead to losses. Definitely in this chart you should spend on the low volume keywords with the high relevancy. So if you target the high search volume keywords with definitely your cost will be high, your spend will be high, and your cost will be high, and you will be accumulating losses in the start. Note number three is you don't have to be on the first page to get sales in the start. Definitely your strategy should be revolving around your funds. If you have set aside $2,000, then you should be setting your strategy around $2,000 in the first month. Definitely you can increase your budget, and once you have the data to perform and improve your PPC spending, and definitely a cost as well. There are few benefits of setting the funds exclusively in this from the start and not relying on your Amazon bell when it comes to PPC budget. The benefit number one is when you have exclusively funds set aside, your PPC campaigns will keep on running and they will not stop because of the low balance in your seller central. The benefit number two is you will be going as lean as possible, and you are focusing on your keywords and you are deciding a lean strategy, and you will be gaining momentum and sales slowly, definitely you will be consuming your budget slowly in the start. So this is a general overview how to set up funds exclusively and how to understand the market allocating funds with respect to the sales value. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any business queries, you can reach out to me this email. Thank you.